State-run vaccination sites in Jacksonville get ready to close for good this week. We're watching the Delta variant continue to spread. The CDC estimates it now makes up nearly 10% of the new COVID cases in the U.S. as of June 5th. That's up from 2.7% 2 weeks earlier. News4Jax reporter Jim Pickett has been talking with local health officials about the variant and their reaction to Governor DeSantis' comments on the variant. He's live from one of the vaccine sites that's set to close. Jim?
You know, we're here at the Regency Mall site, and it's closed for the day, and as of Friday, it's going to be closed for good. Not a lot of activity out here today, but I was talking to some people today who haven't been vaccinated yet, wondering if that variant is going to change their mind, as well as the fact that these places are going to be closing down.
I caught up with Mackenzie Kioka downtown during lunch. She's not been vaccinated for a number of reasons.
I don't like needles.
Sure.
But all my friends have, and I know eventually we're going to have to because travel, and I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting.
But Mackenzie says now that the vaccination sites are closing and a new variant is spreading, she's rethinking that. The Delta variant is not prominent here, but it's growing in the South. It's said to make people sicker than the other variants, but for now, the CDC and the World Health Organization says the vaccines are effective against it. For that reason, Governor Ron DeSantis was downplaying its threat yesterday.
I think it gets put out there in ways designed to frighten people.
I asked Chad Nielsen, an infectious disease expert at UF Health Jacksonville, about that.
We certainly don't want to cause panic.
Nielsen says they've seen variants come and go, but this is one healthcare professionals need to watch.
We don't think that this variant is one that's going to go around and evade the vaccine. But as people continue to get infected because they're not vaccinated, that is our concern, is could this variant arise to another one that does get around the vaccine?
That's why Mia Jones of Agape Health is keeping a close eye on what's happening right now. As more and more places drop restrictions, she's worried people will believe the pandemic is over.
COVID is real. We've lost a lot of people. Lives have been forever changed as a result of COVID. We know that life that we were accustomed to living and things we were accustomed to doing, we can't do those things like we used to.
Now, I want to give you some more information on those state-run vaccination sites that are closing. The one here at Regency closing on Friday as well, at Edward Waters College, the Legend Center, and Celebration Church there on the south side. Those will be closing for good, but you can still get that vaccine at various pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens. They are doing that as well, plus some of the pop-up sites, like even at Gateway Mall. Agape Health is doing one there as well, at least until the end of July. For now, we're live at Regency Square. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.